Hello traders and investors. In this video, we are going to see a unique strategy based on open range breakout system. Normally, open range breakout was used by intraday traders in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes and in some cases in hourly time frames also to trade intraday, because this is a simple system which works quantitatively for the past 30 years. Most of the traders who are beginners in the market as well as pro use this ORB as a primary trading strategy, because it also has a clear representation of bullish and bearish direction. Whenever the price is above the ORB, it is bullish. Whenever the price is below the ORB, it is bearish. It is clearly defined, and it also presents a retest level so that conservative traders can wait for a retest of that level and enter. Since the ORB was mainly used in intraday time frame, here I am creating a unique ORB system for yearly and monthly time frame with a specific candle type, so that even swing traders can also use this ORB for getting a better risk reward in their trades. Let us see this unique strategy. Follow our YouTube channel regularly. Every week we will be posting a unique trading strategy which you will not find anywhere in the YouTube, mostly of institutional grade, which will also support your existing trading methodology. So let's grow together. Hello traders and investors. I am Haresh, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 7639993695. For this strategy, we have created a separate trading view free indicator. It is not protected, it is free for everyone. Whoever is viewing the video can easily add the indicator to that charts. For that, go to trading view, indicator session, and in technical session, go and search here yearly, YEARLY space ORB. You can see a yearly ORB indicator with the publisher name or Haresh R333. This is our profile name. So add this indicator to your chart. By clicking it, it will be added to your chart, and also click the star mark so that it stays in your favorite folder. Similarly, for monthly ORB, type MONTHLY space ORB and check the profile name and add the indicator to your chart and to your favorites. Okay. So in this way, you can add the indicator to your chart. Now let us see how the indicator works and the strategy works. So here I am in daily time frame. For the yearly ORB, there are several time frames we can use. We can also use monthly time frame. First 1 month high low as a ORB level, or first 1 week high low as a ORB level. Here I am using daily time frame as a yearly ORB level, and we are having a range plot here. For every year on the first day, calendar day, we are using only calendar day. We are not using any expiry day like that. Every calendar year beginning the new year day, the ORB will be plotted after the day close, and the range of the day is represented here. First, we have to check whether this level respects, because technical analysis people say only swing low, swing high will respect, and SMC people will say the order block will respect. Fibonacci people will say the retracement will, the golden ratio will respect. But you see here, the simple ORB is respecting the price is respecting the simple ORB. This is what institutions use. Okay, we will randomly see all the F&O stocks whether the level is respecting or not. You can see here I am selecting F&O stocks one by one alphabetically. I am not selecting any stock which has given a hit rate or a accuracy. I am selecting randomly only. So you can check here, verify here. See here, in this 2026, the first day the ORB has plotted, it has broken the sell direction. and see the retest. The retest exactly happened on the ORB level. Again it came sell and see the retest. It happened on the ORB level. Again it came sell and exactly retest happened on the ORB level. Next stock ABB. See, this year the ORB first broke on the sell side, then in a single candle it broke on the buy side. There is no retest and it has rallied. No issue. See here, AB Capital. It first came on the sell direction. See the retest. First, second retest, third retest, fourth retest, fifth retest. Then only it is moving in the buy direction. You will see some other stocks. See, Adani. The ORB first broke on the sell direction. See the retest zone. Then only it is breaking. But as a retail investor, studying the technical analysis, we will search for swing high, swing low, order block, Fibonacci ratio, etc. But price is supporting, retesting and respecting some other simple level. See here, retest level. Then breakout happened. See here. This is a sideways movement. Even though see the retest is happening on this zone mostly. The amber. First sell came, then the breakout happened. See where the retest is happening. Exactly at the zone. See, Ambuja Cement. Sell came, see the retest. Exactly at the zone. See the previous year. Buy breakout, then exactly retest at the zone. Retest at the zone. See even previous year. This is the central election day result. See what happened. Exactly at the zone. We even go further backwards. See, sell direction. See the retest zone. See in the sell direction. Retest, retest. So it is happening every year. See, Angel 1. Sell, retest, second retest. See here, buy breakout, first retest, then sell, then buy happened. See the second retest and the rally. So as a equity trader, we are not going to see on the sell direction because we are not going to trade in F&O. No futures, no options. Also in cash segment, there is no shorting. There is no selling direction. We are going to buy only. So what we have to do? Step 1, every year on the first calendar day, on the New Year day, on the first trading day after the market close, come to the F&O stocks or whatever watch list you are using. Come to that watch list and see the range. Select top 20 to 30 stocks having the lesser range because lesser range will give easier targets. So what our range can be? It can be 1% also. If some stocks is having, see here, this stock is having 1.45% range, simply 1.5% range. So if the stocks moves 5%, we will easily get 1:3 risk reward. See here, in this candle it broke the high. We easily get 1:3 risk reward here. Again retest, see we can easily get the risk reward here. So what we can do is on the first trading day after the market close, if possible on a single day, we are recommending F&O stocks. So you check all the F&O stocks, maybe around 200 stocks in trading view. We have given the indicator free for you. There is no lock-in there. You can use it for lifetime. So here you check the range, select the minimum range stocks, 25 to 30 stocks you select, and then every breakout and retest you trade those stocks with a better risk reward. You have to do position sizing, capital size, that is capital wise trading will not work here. Position sizing alone work here. You have to keep minimum 1:3 risk reward. For example, in this trade, this is the risk, the reward should be 3 times of the risk. Here it has moved more than 4-5 times. Only keep 1:3 and above risk reward. Don't keep 1:2, 1:1 risk reward. This system is designed to get the better and maximum risk reward. In case if you want to trial this, you can use a moving average also. Here I have added a moving average just for your understanding. You can add any moving average of your choice and you can trial the target. So simply Step 1, select the stocks on the first week of the new year. The first trading day end. So take 2 or 3 days time. Select the stocks having the lowest percentage range of the ORB of the yearly chart in daily time frame. Then keep it as a watch list. Follow it closely. Whenever the price goes below the level and then crossing above the level, add a confluence of a moving average or a momentum indicator, and with the confluence take the entry. Keep a stop loss with a buffer point below this red line. Minimum keep a risk reward of 1:3. In that case, if you do proper position sizing and money management, if you are at a 50% accuracy also, you will be in profit. If you are at a 33% accuracy also, you will not be in loss. So every institutional trader plays in money management only. The top traders accuracy will be around 50 to 60% only. So don't look for 80%, 90% accuracy. Do proper money management. In other asset class like commodities, forex, crypto, this money management is not clearly possible due to the volatility in index, commodity and forex. The volatility is very low, so this money management is not possible. 1:1 target is itself is hard, but here in equity stock you have lot of opportunities, and there also we are selecting a narrow range stocks so that we are increasing the probability of hitting the larger risk reward easily. So in this case, if you get 50-50 accuracy also, you will be building your account. So please follow proper system and rule based trading. You can add your confluence. Here I have shown a moving average. You can add whatever strategy you are using, you can add with this. The stock shown here and strategy is not a recommendation, buy sell recommendation. This is just for educational purpose. You have to do your due diligence of fundamental analysis and technical analysis before entering any trade based on this concept explained here. This is purely for educational purpose only. Your work is to backtest this thoroughly and then combine your strategy, use proper money management, do your due diligence on fundamentals, and then use it to your advantage. Next week, we will see monthly ORB, which will be useful for a 2 to 3 days to 1 week swing trade, which is, we can call it as a quick swing trades. Okay, this daily time frame swing trades will last from 10 days to 3 months. That monthly ORB strategy swing trades will last from 2 to 3 days to 1 week to 10 days maximum. So those are quick swing trades. We will see that in the next week video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share to your trading community or friends and family. Every week you will get a new strategy video here, which will be very unique. So it will definitely will enhance your trading journey and investing journey. So please keep subscribed, share to as many people you can, and keep the notification on and wait for the next strategy video. Let's have a glance on our courses. We focus entirely on momentum trading and investing. Hence, we have designed 2 courses. One is Momentum Intraday, where we have 2 strategies. 1 minute strategy, where we take entries based on pullback on the momentum direction. And in 5-minute strategy, we will take a single candle stop loss based breakout trading based on the momentum concepts. We focus only on stock trading and investing. These strategies will be used entirely for intraday stock trading as well as swing, positional and long-term investing. In this momentum investing course, we focus on daily time frame swing trades and monthly time frame long-term investing strategies based on momentum, fundamentals, trend and price action. So whatever the data points required for a retail trader has been coded as a custom indicator in TradingView. 90% of the work will be completed by the indicator, and the remaining 10%, what is the logic and concept based on which the strategies have been built, will be explained through our course video. Combining these two, you will get an edge in the market. To experience the indicator, we are providing a 5 days free trial where you can check the performance of the indicator, live test, back test. Once you are satisfied, you can join our courses. If you want a demo of 5 days, kindly WhatsApp us at 763999365 our team will do the needful. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.